Hi guys, welcome to Fix and Tricks channel. First of all, please subscribe the channel and support me for better videos and like them if you like. Today we have a food processor electromotor. As you see, this is the place for the shaft of the food processor and the key for activating the electromotor. This motor doesn't rotate when we push the button. As you see, this is making noise, but there is no rotation. I want to open it and see if we can repair it. For preventing a long video, I unscrew the cap and now I want to open the electromotor. As you see, we have a universal electromotor here. The brushes seems right, as I can see. And there is no sign of burning or disconnecting. Okay, I think I have to dismantle the electromotor from this cap and check it. Then I can find the problem. Okay guys, I'll dismantle the cap. Now I want to tighten the gearbox. As you see, we have a Planetary dirty gearbox here. Let me to clean this dirt up and back to you. Clean and neat. Before I want to go to clean the gearbox, let me to check the electromotor. As you see guys, the electromotor is right and separated from the gearbox, is working properly. Okay, now I want to go to clean the gearbox and come back to you. Okay guys, I cleaned the gearbox, the Planetary gearbox. As you see, this is the Planetary gearbox of the food processor. The plastic is a low grade plastic, and that's why the gearbox was stuck and doesn't rotate. Now I want to apply grease to the gearbox and assemble it. Okay, now I want to. Okay, now I want to check it. As you see, guys, the central shaft is moving correctly, and now I want to assemble the electromotor, and the repair is done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and like the videos if you like them. Bye for now.